In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in QuickBooks Online. This is a super handy feature to help you classify your transactions and keep everything organized. By the end of this guide, you'll be tagging like a pro, which will make your bookkeeping process more efficient and insightful. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in. You'll find the sign in button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll want to enter your email address and password into the fields provided. A little tip here, if your email and password tend to slip your mind, it might be a good idea to store them securely with a password manager. Once you've entered your details, click that sign in button. Once you're logged into your account and on the main dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the settings. So let's direct our attention up to the gear icon. It's usually in the upper right corner of your screen. Give it a click and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select all lists. Clicking here brings you to a new page where you'll find a variety of options to customize and organize your accounting, but today we are focusing on tags. Now scroll down to the bottom of this list and find the tags link. This is your gateway to managing tags in QuickBooks Online, so go ahead and click on that. You should now see a new button. This is where the magic begins. Click new and you'll be prompted to create a new tag. Thinking about the structure and clarity of your tags is key. You'll want to choose a tag name that is intuitive and instantly recognizable. Think ahead, I promise it will save you time later. Once you have your tag name in mind, type it into the tag name field. Next, you might consider adding your tag to a group. This step is particularly useful if you envision using multiple tags that relate to each other. Group them together to maintain a coherent structure in your bookkeeping. When you've entered the tag name and selected the group, the final step in this part of the process is to click save, and there you have it. It's that simple to create a tag. Now let's move on to the practical application of using tags with your invoices. Go back to the main menu area and this time click on sales. From here, make your way over to the invoices section. This is where you can assign tags to specific invoices, giving you the power to classify them for better tracking. Browse through the list of invoices to find the one that you'd like to tag. Once you've identified it, click edit to enter the details of that invoice. During this step, you'll notice a field to add a tag. This is where you enter the tag you created earlier. If you've planned ahead and already made your tags, this should be a quick and straightforward task. After entering your tag, the only task left is to click save to ensure your changes are applied. By tagging your invoices, you'll find it easier to generate reports that sort and organize your data in the way that makes most sense to you and your business needs. And there you have it. Using tags in QuickBooks Online is an effective way to enhance your organization and bookkeeping accuracy. Recapping quickly, we went over signing in, navigating to the settings, creating and saving tags, and finally applying those tags to your invoices. This systematic approach not only keeps your finances in good order, but also enhances your ability to retrieve and report your data in a structured manner. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Tags are indeed a vital tool in QuickBooks Online to optimize your engineering management of financial transactions. Once you get the hang of it, you'll likely wonder how you managed without them. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging.